Getting real tired of you snoring. Every single night you're snoring. And now, even on days that I can't sleep, I'm too tired to go and do laundry. So now I gotta wear your stupid metal band shirts. I don't even know what they mean. I don't even understand it. But all I know is their favorite color is green, because everything you own is green. Look at your stupid looking shirt. This is the only life that you're even good at. It's Minecraft. You just go and you Minecraft some stupid little blocks and you turn them into cubes and you get chased by some little creeper chicken turtle pig thing. And I don't even care what you think about this, because I'm so tired of not being able to sleep because you think it's okay to snore and keep me up every single day. Well, I'm done with it. I'm done with sitting here listening to you snore. So you know what? Good freaking morning to you, Shadow. Thanks a lot. Stupid metal band shirts. Get real tired of waking up or not even being able to sleep to that snoring. That snoring keeps me up all night long. I get to sit here with my bloodshot eyes and you don't even care. You don't even care because you're sitting here in La La Land doing your own little thing, thinking of whatever else comes up in your brain because you think you're a funny guy. You're not a funny guy. You just sit there, you think you're funny. Yeah, you think you're Flash? Look at this stupid looking shirt. What, you think this is the cool shirt to wear now? This is what you're gonna do? It's burgundy, buddy. It's burgundy. That's fake Flash. Flash wears red, and that's not red. You know why it's not red? Because you're a poser. You're a poser, and you're never gonna get what you want because you're not fast. You ain't nothing. Look at you. You think you can run faster than that? You can't even hit the mile per hour mark because you are not fast. You're nothing. Look at the shirt's burgundy. And other than that, good morning.
What the heck? Well, that was a weird dream.
Oh, well, at least one of us gets to sleep. Why do I have to share a room with somebody with the snore of death? You know, why couldn't I just get somebody who sings lullabies or something when they're sleeping? Maybe when they sit there, they start singing songs that are from Minecraft or something. See, you would get the reference because you play Minecraft, and that's the only thing that you know how to play. So you know what? Why can't I get one of those people? Someone who sits here and singing ring-a-ding things that I can just freaking fall asleep to, and then maybe I don't have to wake up for a little while, and I don't have to think about things and how work and stuff goes and how other things happen in the real world. I'm so tired of just sitting here and not getting any sleep, bloodshot eyes, and not knowing what to do because all I want to do is sleep. What's a dream? What's a dream? I don't even know what a dream is because I will never know what a dream is because someone got the Snore of Death. Maybe, just maybe, I'll be able to get some freaking sleep on one of the pillows that I have left because all of them have been hitting you in the face. All those fluffy looking pillows, they look so fantastic. I could just rest my head on all of them, but I can't. I can't sit here with my pillow in my head and I got stuff going on over here, but then I got this guy sleeping and snoring and this guy not being able to sleep and snore.